Welcome! In today's video, we're diving into a new update on X, formerly known as Twitter, that allows you to get notified when someone follows you. If you want to stay in the loop about your growing followers on PC, follow these simple steps. First, open your account by logging in on your PC. Once you're in, look to the left menu and click on More. This will expand a list of options for you. Next, find and select Settings and Privacy. Here, you'll discover a variety of customizable settings to enhance your experience. Now it's time to click on Notifications. This section is where you can manage how you want to be alerted about various activities, including your new followers. After that, head to Preferences and then choose Push Notifications. This menu allows you to adjust your notification settings even further. Here comes the crucial step. Make sure to check the option for New Follower. This ensures you'll get notified whenever someone decides to follow you. Finally, don't forget to click the Save Changes button to apply all your new settings. And there you have it. You're all set to receive notifications whenever someone follows you on X. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.